Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to turn a regular men's shirt into an off-shoulder ruffled top. So this shirt has a lot of sentimental value to me because it was passed down to me by my late dad. I've been wearing it close to 4 years now, and I'm not ready to decide to transform it to this top. So first of all, what we are going to be doing now, we are going to -4 from the shoulder to form our off shoulder. I wanted the length to be 16, so I'm cutting at 18 because I'll be folding in 2 inches. For every folding I'll be doing in this tutorial, I'll be adding 2 inches, so because I'm going to be cutting it in. So if you are making this top, try as much as possible to add 2 to your measurement so that you can easily get the right measurement after you fold in the 2. So for the long sleeve, I wanted it to be 15, so I'm cutting out 17 so that I can fold in 2 to get the 15 that I wanted, because that's rubber we entered those folds. So afterwards, you measure out the 2 inches, then fold it in. To get a perfect hemming, just try as much as possible to pin down your fold before sewing it round. So I'll be doing this same folding for that is the down part of the top, and also for the round sleeve of the top. So this is what it will look like after you sew all the foldings. Something like this. Now the next step is just to match the middle part of your folding, because the rubber is going to enter the down part of the off shoulder and then the upper part of the waist, so it's important to match it in the middle. So that's it. Now for the rubber, the circumference of my shoulder is, so I'm going to be minusing 4, which will give me 36. So for every measurement, try as much as possible to remove 4 because rubber stretches. So this is going to be for the off shoulder. So you're going to be doing the same for the waist part and for the round sleeve. So every measurement you get -4 from it, then just impute the rubber. So it's important to measurement because it makes the top or the dress fit cinchly to your body without it looking bogus. So do that for the waist, the round sleeve, and then the off shoulder. Mind you, my waist was 28, 24 for the rubber. My round sleeve was 10, so I cut out 6 rubber. So I did this so that it will sit smoothly to me. And whenever you are working with rubber, always at least -4 from your actual measurements so that you get a good finish. So this is what to look like after you insert the rubber to every part of the food. So please guys, make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Bye till my next post.